Hi guys, it's Nina from VR Focus. I'm joined by
Alex Groner, CEO of Atom Universe.
Tell me a little bit about what you showed us today. It was all about scanning our bodies, having a look at ourselves, and there's a lot of VR components to it, but also maybe AR as well.
Yes, so we are in Atom Universe working on a new app called Aura for mobile, and we are launching it this month on Xperia phones. You can scan your head and apply it on avatar. As well, you can build your dance moves, outfits, and export it to virtual world Atom Universe on PlayStation.
And this is in collaboration with Sony, perhaps?
Yes. We have partnership with the Sony mobile communication team in Sweden, and we are using their technology 3D Creator app on Xperia phones to import full 360 head scans into our app.
So this basically, the software is only available on Xperia phones right now?
Yes, at the moment it is available only Xperia phones, but they are working on supporting it on other Android phones as well.
Tanguy de Wavrin, CSO of Atom Universe.
So tell me a little bit about Atom Universe and what it is.
So Atom Universe started off in 2016. It's the only cross-platform virtual world, which means you can play on a PC with a PlayStation user or vice versa. So it's had over 1 million users and it's basically growing organically over time on the basis that PlayStation Home used to be a very successful virtual world on PlayStation, and as it is no more, all the users and all the developers from PlayStation Home are living on through Atom Universe.
Can you just kind of describe in a step-by-step process what you have to do with the phone to scan yourself? So first you need a phone.
Yes, we need a phone, Sony Xperia phone with 3D Creator app installed in it. It allows you to scan full head in 3D. It captures very detailed, realistic 3D scan of your head. Then you press button Share from 3D Creator, and you can find our Aura app available in the list. Then you select this Aura app, and this is where you will be taken to Aura app to continue. Next step is to choose your gender and continue exporting it into Aura app. It will take less than 1 minute to process your scan, to make it fully animated, to detect all your facial features, and then you can see your avatar with your scanned head inside of Aura. Then you can change your facial expressions, see how you smile, and change your outfit and apply different dances. As well, you can share your avatar with your friends on social media. And final step is to export it into Atom Universe virtual world on PlayStation. This is our first step of this avatar. Effectively, we're focusing on more advanced experience, which is going to be a social augmented reality app. It will be released next year on all Android phones and iPhones as well.
What are they saying? So say if I was like, you were in your VR headset, you were wearing your 3D skin of yourself, and you went out, how are people responding and reacting to you? Differently or?
So obviously it's clearly a simulation, and it's obvious that it's not your real self, but you can express your personality through your creation. So you look like yourself, but a fantasy version of yourself. And yeah, the reactions we've had so far are pretty positive.
Okay, very interesting. And where are you hoping to take this even further? How do you want to expand on top of this?
So right now we have a virtual world on console and on PC. We have an app on the mobile that lets you personalize your avatar, but there's no social aspect on the mobile. So that's the next iteration, is to have a social interaction on mobile where you don't need a console or you don't need a PC. You can just meet people online with your phone. And then we're looking at also augmented reality hardware, but I suppose we can't talk about it just yet. But we're looking at different AR solutions for the future. And we believe that social AR is the future of AR.
With this, what are you hoping that people are going to do with these 3D avatars? Where are you hoping this will go?
So this is going to be a social experience, multiplayer social experience. With the social AR app Aura, you can share your avatar with your friends, colleagues, relatives in VR and augmented reality. You can use voice. You can chat and communicate and interact with your friends as avatars anywhere in the world.
With the game, is it free on both platforms?
Yes.
So how do you make money?
It's a freemium business model, just like most mobile phone games these days. So it's free to download, but if you want, you can buy extra things. So, for instance, cool outfits for your avatar. Some of them are free, but some of them you can buy. Private spaces, likewise, if you want to buy a cool penthouse, you can to invite your friends. That's a business model, and there's also an optional subscription for those who want exclusive content.
Have you beta tested it? Have you gone out as you in the world and have you gotten feedback from people? If I scan myself on my friend's phone, do they have access to my avatar forever? I mean, do I have protection of my digital self?
Of course,
online?
yes, we are GDPR compliant, and only you have access and control of this avatar. We just store it on our backend with your permission. But obviously, you can if you don't want us to store your personal data, you can ask us just to remove it from our database, and we will do it. But what we're offering our services to access your digital version from anywhere in the world and on any device. And at the moment, it is only integrated with our Atom Universe virtual world. But imagine you can use your avatar in other products as well. I mean,
could I use it maybe, I don't know, like Facebook or Skype?
Yes, of course. Yeah, but not right now. If they approach us and we have a partnership with them.
With regards to, I know I keep going back to this, but with regards to the privacy of me as my face, what do you have as security to stop people from maybe taking my identity and making propaganda videos with it?
Yes, we are using Google Cloud as our infrastructure provider, and we rely on their very secure and protected data services for all our data. So we hope they will not be sort of hacked.
Besides 3D photorealistic avatars, does it also come with a voice? Can I also integrate the avatar with my own personal voice as well?
Not right now, but we are hoping to add a new feature available on iPhone X to track your facial expressions in real time, so which will work well with real-time voice communication. So your avatar can appear in VR and AR, matching your facial expression and the lips while you are talking.
Do I get to change my body size as well? How tall I am, like my waist size? My boob size?
Obviously, yes. Yeah, you can change your gender. You can change your appearance. You can make you looking younger or older. You will have fully customizable avatar available from Aura.
Fantastic. Well, where do we go to find out more information?
Well, go to aura.buzz. It's our website where you can find all announcements, all details about our next launch and new versions.
And you can find in the videos, you can see what I look like as a 3D avatar. And I'm sure if you want to be a digital avatar as well, just take the phone, scan yourself, and then if you got PlayStation, right?
Yes.
You can look at yourself and creep people out.
Right, cool.
Head over to vrfocus.com if you want to find out more about VR, and I'll see you in the next video.